Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. You can trace the inspiration for my mobile designs back to a marlin fishing trip I was on, where I first saw a fishing dredge, also called a teaser. A billfish teaser is basically an underwater mobile designed to resemble a school of small fish flashing in the water. Check it out. I thought, wow, it'd be really cool to do that in stained glass. So, here's another human teaser you can make. I'm going to start by building the hanging hardware. I've got 3 different lengths of 3/32 inch brass rod. 3 are 12 inches long, 3 7 inches long, and 9 3-inch pieces. I'll also be using a brass O-ring, a heavy-duty fishing swivel, and some plumber's chain, brass nuts, and screws for the glass hangers. This design uses only 3 different shapes of brass rod. For all the loops, I'll be using the 7mm side of my bail making pliers. First, I'll take a 12-inch rod and create a loop in the middle, bending it until I've achieved approximately a 70-degree angle. I'll then place a loop on each end in the same plane as the middle loop. I'm bending the loops up towards the middle loop. So, there we have our first shaped piece. Next, I'll take the 7mm rod, again bending a 70-degree loop in the middle. And I'll be placing 2 loops on the ends of these rods, but in this case, they'll be perpendicular to the middle loop. And there you have our second piece. And finally, I'll take the 3-inch rod and create a link. I'll bend the loops in the opposite direction from each other. And there you have the 3 shaped rods that we'll be using. I'll finish up the bending of the remaining rods, and then we'll put the hardware together. Okay, I've got all the rods bent for the hanging hardware, and everything is laid out in the order that it goes together. I'll start by sliding 2 of the 12-inch rods onto 2 of the 7-inch rods. Then I'll connect all of the 7-inch rods to the 12-inch rods above them. Next, I'll build and attach the top and bottom chains. And we're all done with the hanging hardware. For the glass, I made 7 bi-colored fused circles 2.5 inches in diameter. I've installed brass hangers 35 degrees off from the center line in each. This will complement the 70-degree angles found in the hanging hardware. So let's put it together. Here's the completed hardware. I'll start at the top and add the glass. I'm alternating the pattern, so sometimes the orange glass points to the inside, and sometimes it points to the outside. All right, all the glass is on. I'll tighten down the loops and we'll take it outside. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more information on how I cut and fuse circles, drill holes in glass, install hangers, and bend metal rods, check out my other videos. Please consider liking and subscribing, and thanks for watching. Cheers.